Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts stock. This is Navitas Semiconductor. This one today down by 7.7%. We're going to be speaking about that. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions over the course of tonight's episode. If it does sound good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should always be doing your own research. Now, a few things to note over here. You are seeing this one so far holding above levels that we have seen hold up historically back on Wednesday. However, that does mean that we are coming close to a low to watch out for. Again, the good news is we have got supports around this range. I'm looking at numbers around 1270, potentially all the way down to 1240. These are numbers that we've seen hold, in the past here on last Wednesday, and of course going back to Tuesday the 14th. So this is absolutely a range to watch out for. If you see a drop below this, I do have suspicions that we could be dropping as low as the 1190 mark, maybe even the 1170 or 80 marks as well, possibly down below that where things would get a bit more ugly. At the same time, I do still have some hope for potential recovery at these levels. RSI is relatively cool now, below the neutral marker, so again potentially some room to run from a technical standpoint over there. My hope is that we're going to be able to break above numbers that we're struggling at. These are going to be figures around the 1315 range. If you can break that, I'm looking around the 1330. For a potential push onto numbers around 1375, then hopefully onto stronger numbers, 1390, of course $14 for a potential push onto the 1420, 1425 mark, up to 1450 and beyond. Like I say, the RSI here is relatively low. We're in a strong position. My hope is that we can just see this one continue to push and move to the upside. However, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now. See you soon.